Ayaw nila. Okay. Interview tara. Teresa, tara, interview muna. Okay. Before we start, Mr. AJ, welcome to the finals. Any word po sir before we start the game?
Well, thanks for praising to here. First and foremost,
Okay.
today, hopefully, we got the right people for the game.
Okay.
And I think it looks promising today. Hopefully, we don't take it for granted. We'll play best as we can.
Okay.
And see, we take it from there and adapt on the fly.
Thank you, Mr. AJ, and good luck to your team along against Mechanicals. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, Baklaan! Sige rito. Tayo na po, rep, mag-interview na ako. Paying 2 minutes lang. 2 minutes, ha? 2 minutes. Baklaan! Baklaan, Shena! Tayo, 2 minutes lang. Shena! Paying 2 minutes lang. Interview. Pre-game. Ang Gabriel. 2 minutes lang. Salamat sir. Okay, thank you na. Ayaw na interview sa akin. Nahiya. Okay, welcome muli po. Third game for the day. And also, congratulations earlier po for come from behind victory po ng Extreme Ballers. The Black Men. Yan po ang The Mechanicals versus of course, in-flights po naman po tayo ngayon. And pink and white combination. Okay. Bilog ng ball talaga. Okay, first quarter start. Okay, number 6 si Mungkal, si AJ. Wala si Ariola, no? Wala si Mercado. Number 5 at si number 23. Kabila naman si Talisik. 25, 27, 21 at si Walter. First quarter. Oh! Si Daisy. Okay, violation po kay Gabriel. Automatic po sa in-flight ang bola. Inbounding po si Mr. Mungkal. Number 16, Mungkal, 16, inbounding. Now kay De Guzman, Mungkal against Shena. The high flyer Mungkal, now to AJ. 23, number. And kay Mungkal muli, Mungkal driving strong. Number 6, pops up. No good. That's Villarosa number 1. Now Mungkal high flyer shot. It's good points. High flying shot ni Mungkal para naglalakad si ere. 2-0 lamang po ang team in flights. Sir Philip, you're watching this game for sure. And take care po sa bakasyon nyo po. And nakuha po ni Shena po ang bola. Shena against De Guzman. Malakas ang pasa kay Walter. Balik mo muli sa in-flights ang bola. Magpit ng referee yan. Okay, now AJ to De Guzman. Binababa ang bola. 2-0 po score. Lamang pong in-flights ang dalawa. De Guzman, number 5. Difficult shot. Pasok. Number 5, De Guzman, 2 points. Oh, sir, balik ka. Stop. Oo nga. Oh, sir. Napanood mo kanina yung laro? Napanood mo? Upset. Talisik! 2 points, Talisik. Oo nga, talaga yun. And now, 2 for 8 minutes remaining. Lamang po ng dalawa ang in-flights. Ayaw na. Nako ni Talisik. No, nako ni Walter ng bola. Walter, binaba ang bola. Walter. Kick pass kay Shena. Shena! Malakas. Ginamitan ng pinagbabawan ng teknik ni Shena. Sabi rito ni Mr. 5, good luck both teams, Sir Arvin. Yes, sir. I hope you're watching game and also enjoying the game also. And good luck po sa both teams po talaga. Shena, first shot. It's out. Shena, second shot. Konti pa, konti. Alas 7 pa lang pala, pambihira. Shena, second shot. Both shots out. Na rebound ni number 6. And now kay Mr. number 1, Villarosa. Steal completed. Kick pass kay Shena. Shena against 2 people. Shena. And kay Walter. No good. One more time. Walter. Binabatan si De Guzman. Number 5. Driving. Nope, it's Mungkal. Mungkal dictating the pace. Pops up per 3. No good. Talisik naka-rebound. No. It's Shena. Shena binabatan ni Mungkal. Shena! 2 points Shena. Now kay Mr. number 6. Up! Save! Black ball! Black ball po tayo, black ball. Balik muli po sa mechanics ng bola. Tablados po tayo sa 4. Palmares. To Shena. Shena, Palmares. Shena again. Thinking 3. Nope, it's Palmares. Number 5. Palmares pops up to Gabriel. No good. Rebounding Muntal. Foul Talisik. Foul on Talisik. In flights, Villarosa, wala pala si Mercado din. And De Guzman pops up for 2. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6, pivotal. Nope, it's AJ. Swiped away. And again now, to swipe away by Walter. Called for a foul. Foul on Walter. Walter, number 5, called for the foul. Number 1, inbounding. Number 5, driving. Nope. Number 6. Number 6 pops up. Number 5, nope. Number AJ Mungkal, 2 points. Easy 2. Baseball pass. Napunta kay Shena. Zigzagging. Garcia, fadeaway shot. 2 points Garcia. Tablados pa rin. Guzman to number 6. Walter, still completed. Garcia. Shena. No good. One more time. Shena, creating space. Hindi kaya. Tatlo nagbabatay sa kanya. Garcia, thinking 3. Nope. Shena muna. Walter, this guy play. Malakas. Number 5. De Guzman. No good. Shoutout kay Robastica si player the game. Roy Bustos. Wala si Bustos dito pare. Naka-duty yata. Palmores, no good. Rebound by AJ. Now kay Mr. Mungkal. Mungkal shake and fake. Mungkal. Nando kay number 5. And black ball. 4 minutes 17 remaining. Labas muna po ang 5. Papasok ang panibagong 5. Okay, next 5 po. Yan. Sino po yan? Si Akain. Si number 69. Si 31. At si number 30. Kabila naman, si Baklaan. Si Real. Si number 9. Si Ying. At si number 35. Real. And now, number 9. Pops up. No good. Ying. Foul! Number 31. Number 31 called for the foul. That's Mr. Antacleto. And si Ying now shooting for 2. Ying shooting for 2. First shot ni Ying. Ying, first shot. Out. Ying, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Jumpers ready para kay Ying. Pops up. It's in. 7-6. Lamang po na ngayon ang Mechanicos. And now 27. Akain. 69 kay Pe. Foul called. No, it's traveling violation. Traveling violation kay Mr. Pe. Okay, balik muli po ang bola po sa Mechanicos. Number 18. Number 82, Baklaan. Number 4. Please take note po, rank number 2 po ang in-flights versus rank number 7 po ang team Mechanicos. Number 0. Lost the ball. De Guzman. Binabatean. 2 points. 2 points, number 30. Troy Lomtong is watching. Si Grama is watching also. Grama, magandang-daan na kayo. Susunod na kayo dito. Bullet. No good. Rebound na Kain again. Pinasa kay Akleto. 2 points, Akleto. Real. Real against number 30. Baklaan. Ying. That's De Guzman. Si number 10 si De Guzman. Dalawa pala De Guzman dito. And now, lost the ball. White ball. White ball. White ball po tayong yun. Okay, si Mr. Pe. De Pe. And now, kay Akain. Pops up. No good. Akain. Nice pass. Yung kay Pe. 2 points, Pe. PE. 2 points. Ying. 7-12 ang score po. 5-point lead already. Number 35. Driving. Pops up. Nope. And out of bounds. 7-12 ang score po natin at 1 minute 44 remaining. Akain for 3. Malakas. Nakuha na. Real to Bullet. Nice D. By De Guzman. Foul again. Ying go for the foul. Who's foul rep? Number 0, it's Ying. Anacleto shooting for 2. First shot. Out. Anacleto, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Anacleto, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's wala. Pareho. Nakuha ni De Guzman ang bola. De Guzman, ano muna tayo? Akain. 2 points Akain. Real. Baklaan. Bullet. Ying. Binabate ni Mike. Baklaan. Number 18 kay Ying. Pops up. 2 points Ying. And now Akain. De Guzman. Nawala ang bola. Still completed. Pop! Traveling violation. Traveling violation yan. 36 seconds remaining. You're watching right now the third season of Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. We're now on the quarter-final space already of the third season. Before that, our team for main sponsors po, Team LBC and Thread and Needles. Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread and Needles Tailoring. And of course, SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ. Samahan na po natin ng, of course, ito po, you're watching right now, In-Flights versus Mechanicals. Quarterfinals match po yan. Win or go home na po pareho po yan. And also after this po is Airport United versus Contact Center. Pagkatapos po ng larong ito, balik po tayo, De Guzman. Naipit, no good, rebound again, nawala ang bola. Baklaan, foul on De Guzman. Ang score is 9-14, lamang pa rin po ng 5 ang team In-Flights. Ying, Bullet. Okay, ano muna, medyo may konting verification na po sa mga referee. May konting tao po yata, kinokontest po nila. Okay, confirm po talaga. Doon daw po, sabi doon ng referee, lumipat sila ng pag-inbounding. Baklaan, to Bullet. 25 remaining. Bullet. Baklaan. Real. Ying. Kapos. Ying muli. Wala pa rin. Akain. Mike. 10 seconds remaining. Pag last shot daw, sabi na Kain. 3 seconds. De Guzman. Bang! Magic bunot yata ang dinalap din po ng The Hub. Ng In-Flights. Magic bunot yata. Magic bunot. Okay, first quarter is finished. 9-16 score. Lamang pa rin po ang In-Flights. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. Okay, second quarter action po tayo ngayon. 9-16 po score po natin. Lamang po ang In-Flights po ng 7. Second quarter action, dito na po si number 26, si Talisik, si Gabriel, si number 87 at si Shena. Sa kabila na po si Gurub, AJ, De Guzman, Villarosa, and of course si Mongkal. Okay, Palmares now for the inbound. Stalwart po yan po ng Team Mechanicals. Palmares to Shena. Shena, kinuha ng bola against De Guzman. Number 5, Shena, grabbing strong. Ayun, pops up. No good. Rebound, battle won by Shena. Siena, Palmares, nope, it's Gabriel. Itong Palmares, Siena, Palmares, pops up, 2 points Palmares. Siena in the land of the Giants. Okay, Di Guzman. Villarus, AJ. Guro, bumingi ng bola. Di Guzman, pops up for 2, no good. Rebound by AJ, pero may foul called. Foul on Talisik. Talisik called for the foul. 9 minutes remaining to the second quarter action. Di Guzman, mahirap, Gurub, lost the ball. Nice pa, pero hindi po pumasok. Siena, driving strong against Mungkal. Nakuha ni Siena muling bola. Lost the ball pa rin. White ball, sabi ng referee. White ball, Villarosa for the inbound. And now, number 5, against binabantayan po ni Koymix, number 5, triple team, naipit! Grabe yung violation, sabi ni referee. Mahigpit yung referee niya. Palmares, Talisik, Siena, and Siena pa rin. Palmares, 21, Siena. Palmares, pwede mo shot. No, it's Talisik. 2 points. And timeout called by In-Flights. Lamang na po ng 15. 15-14, 15-14 po score po natin. Sir. Kasi mabata mo. Kasi nga. Laping eh. Ha? Lapa. Lagi mo.
Game naman. Kaya
Karapit. Gabing-gabi matatapos yan. 11:30.
ganun lang ang schedule naman. Di man lang ginawa alas 3, alas 4.
Meron. Nandito si Talents. Nagliliga rito.
Kasunod natin.
Kasunod natin si Talents.
Kaya pala nililinis nila to.
Oh.
Pag hindi ito nililinis,
Madulas. Okay, okay, balik muli po tayo. 15-14 ang score talaga natin. And kaninong bola po rep? Who's ball rep? Bola po ng In-Flights. (15-14) ha. Lamang na po ang Mechanicos. Please take note po ang In-Flights po. Medyo underman din po sila. Okay, mukhang bine-verify yata yung score yata. Dahil si 15-14 talaga. Okay, 15-14. Final. Okay, 15-14. As per the official po, 15-14. AJ na for the inbound. Kay Villarus. 7 minutes 54 remaining. Villarus. Di Guzman for 3. No good. Rebound, battle one by Koymix. Siena. Good ball. Nice hustle by Siena. Naipit ang kote. Mukhang same ball, sabi ng referee, same ball. It's same ball. Same ball, sabi ng referee, same ball. Talisik for the inbound. Talisik. Koymix na yung mag-isa. Nope. AJ, binabantayan. Villarus. Binabantayan, Villarus. Binagpitahan ng bola, Villarus. Villarosa number 1. 2 points. What a slice by Villarosa. 7 minutes 8 remaining. Second quarter action, 15-16. Balik mo din kalamangan po sa in-flights. Palmares, no good. Rebound by Gurub. Nakakuha ni Shena ang bola. Shena driving strong. Shena lost the ball. Nakakuha ni Palmares. Garcia for 2. No good. Gurub, may tahan ng bola. Gurub. Number 1. Villarosa. And Gurub. And one play kay Gurub. Gurub. 2 points kay Gurub plus bonus free throw. Alex Roldan, nanonood po siya. Boost, talisik. Okay, black ball. 15-18 po score po natin. Grabe. Palmares. 26, Palmares. Shena, driving strong. Nope, ayaw nga. Mongcal. Shena. Dish o pass kay Palmares. Garcia, open. Pasok ang bola. 18-17 po score po natin. 18-17 score po natin yun. 18-17. Villarosa. Foul. Koimix. Villarosa, inbounding. Number 1 inbounding para sa in-flights. Cutter. AJ. Mongcal. Villarosa. Malakas. And nakuha ni Koimix ang bola. White, black ball. Who's ball rep? White ball. Nice hustle by Gurub. Mongcal. Shake and fake. Gurub, side step move, 2 points, Gurub. Iba talaga pag matangkad, grabe. Palmares, nauna yung mag-isa, 2 points, Palmares, 2 points, 19-20. Dikit pa rin po ang laban hanggang ngayon kay Di Guzman naman ang bola. Di Guzman. And, ayun, AJ, 2 points, AJ, 2 points. Palmares, may tahan ng bola. Shena driving. Nope, dilabas muna. In, out. Shena, no good. Walang tawag. Mongcal. Against Palmares. Mongcal. 2 points, Mongcal, 2 points. 19-24, lamang na po ng 5 ang in-flights. And kay Garcia, no good. Gurub, dope is AJ, kumuha ng bola. And now kay Mr. Villarosa. Di Guzman, 2 points. And timeout called by Mechanicos. Sumobra natin 5 minutes Hindi nagpalit. Sumobra yata 5 minutes. Ngayon lang nagpalit sila. Ganun ba? Okay. Okay, balik muna po tayo sa laro po natin. 3 minutes 47 remaining. Si Real, Walter, si Bullet nandyan din. Bullet, Real, Ying, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound para ba akain? Nako ni Real almost, nope. Di Guzman, binabantayan ni Bullet. Foul! Okay, balik po tayo sa laro po natin yun. Akain for the inbound. Akain for the inbound. Di Guzman, Akain. Akain. Akain, nagatumapasan. Ayun. Number 11, no good. Nando kay Walter. Nakay Bullet ang bola. Bullet. Bullet. Bullet, malakas. Nakuha ni Mike ang bola. Di Guzman, nagmamadali. Akain for 3. Pops up. Bang! 3 points Akain. Akain 3 points, 19-29 at 10-point lead already been posted by In-Flights. Traveling violation kay Bullet. Bullet called for the traveling violation again kay Mr. Pe, kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman may tangan ng bola. Kay Akain muli for 3. No, Pe. Pe, power move. Hindi, nanakaw ng bola. Castro. Bullet, malakas. Anakleto. Anakleto. Pe, power move. Hindi, kaya Akain pala. Akain, no good. Real. Ying. 19-29. Ying. Pops up. Bullet, 2 points. A minute and 57 remaining. Di Guzman. Pe. Having trouble. Pe, 2 points. Ying. Ying, number 0. Ying. 2 points, Ying. (23-31), lamang po ng 8 ang team In-Flights. O sir. And kay Mike. Mike. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Akain muli for 3. Patay ang buti. Nako ni Ying. Nope, it's nako ni Mike. Mike. Kay Pe. Pe. May foul kay Real. Foul on Real. Pe shooting for 2. Pe shooting for 2. (69) Pe shooting. First shot. Kapos. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Lamig, grabe. Pe, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala pareho. Rebound. Di number 31. Pe muli. Pe turn around. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa team Mecanicos ang bola. Number 18. Castro. Walter, 2 points. Nice cut by Walter. Mike, nakuha. Bullet. Bullet, going. Mali. Foul. Penalty situation, Mecanicos. Mike shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Rebound ni Ying. Ying. Naka-rebound na. Si Ying. Real. Ying. Ying. Driving Shong. Walang tawag. Rebound. Number 15. Pops up. Castro. 2 points. Castro, 2 points. 4 seconds. Akain. Di Guzman. Foul. Take 3. Take 3. Si Di Guzman. Penalty situation, number 30 shooting for 3. First shot, wala. Second shot. Second shot. Wala rin. Last shot, John. Last shot. Last shot. Wala lahat. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. The score is 37-32. Laman po ng 5 ang in-flight. Magbabalik po tayo for the third quarter action. Tayo, mga 5 minutes. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter action na po tayo ngayon. Third quarter action na po tayo ngayon para sa third quarter action. Third quarter action na po tayo ngayon. The score is 27-32. Lamang po ang in-flights ng 5. Change court na po tayo. Change court po tayo. Defense black, offense white. Mongkal inbounding. The high flyer. Yun. Para naka Red Bull with wings. Mongkal, inbounding. To Mr. De Guzman. To other De Guzman. Pops up. Pasok, 2 points. Number 5, 2 points. Baklaan, may tanang bola. 9 minutes, 48 remaining. Shena. Palisik. Palmares. Tama. Yun ang nakita ng rep.
Tama, di ba?
Mongkal against Palisik. Mongkal, nope, it's De Guzman. Bang! 2 points. And now kay Shena. And one playmate kay Shena. .30 called for the foul. Shena shooting for the bonus free throw. Ang lamig. Ah, 29-36. Pops up. It's out. 6 points ni kalamangan po. De Guzman. AJ, nope, it's De Guzman. De Guzman again. 2 points De Guzman. Siya ang nananalasa para sa take-in flights. Garcia, Palmares, Baklaan, Talisik, Garcia, Baklaan, Talisik, 5 seconds remaining, close the ball. Durub, 2 points, again De Guzman 2 points, And timeout called by Team Mechanicos. Ang score po natin, 29-40. Balik muli po sa 11 ang kalamangan ng in-flight. Good. Tara. Okay, Baklaan. Inbound. Binababa ang bola. Against the Guzman. Baklaan lost the ball. And Garcia. No good. Rebound bar won by Black Ball. Black Ball. Palmares. Nakuha ni Mukha ng bola. Lost the ball. Nice hustle. Palmares for 2. No. Real. No good. Rebound by Grub. And Mungkal. Easy to. Ano, dadakdak. Palmares. Siena. Substitution muna po ngayon. Ying, Walter, and Bullet in. Baklaan, Palmares, and Garcia out. Grub. Di Guzman. Mungkal for 3. Nope, ayaw niya. Driving strong. Lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Team Mechanicos ang bola. Nice shot by Walter, number 5. Walter, number 5, shooting for 2. Foul number 6. Number 16 called for the foul. Walter shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Yeah. Both in. 31-42. Di Guzman. Pops up. Number 5. Nope. Ying naka-rebound. Yal. Siena. Grove naka-rebound. Kick pass kay Mungkal. Mungkal. Easy to. Bullet. Siena. Ying. Walter for 3. Malakas. Ying. Foul on AJ. AJ called for the foul. Ying shooting for 2. 31-44. Lamang po na 13 na naman ang team in flights. First shot ni Ying, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 5 minutes, 52 remaining. Calling now, Team Airport United and Team Contact Center. Nasa na kayo? Pumunta na kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. Ying, second shot. It's out. Nice by Walter. Same ball. Real. Real to Ying. Nope. Nakuha. Walter ng bola. Ying. Driving strong. Palpal. Number 5, De Guzman. Second fake, pops up. 2 points si Guzman. Walang tapon yung bata. And kay Bullet. No good. Walter, foul called. Okay, Grove, labas muna. Tapos makapati H3. First shot to Walter, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Walter, no good. Reggie, punta.
Sino lamang?
In flight. Talo si Nano, pre. Mungkal, no good. Talo si Nano, pre.
Anong nangyari? Nalito naman o nanalo na sila?
Nag-die 3 point. Die 3 point si Chudy Lax yung bola. Foul on Chena. May 3 point si Chudy Lax yung bola dito.
Ano yung taga-dali mo yun?
Wala pa si Enteng. Di Guzman, inbounding. Sabi ko siya muna, Akain, Mike in, and Villarosa in. Mongkal out. Di Guzman out.
Ba't hindi request pa tayo PC?
BMS. Naka-computer yan, program yan. Walang operator pag ano. Mamaya 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock patay na yan, sabi nila. Akain for 3, no good. Rebound by Mike. Mike for rebound. Malakas ang paso ni Mike. Balik muli po sa block ang bola. Op. Black ball talaga, black ball. Shena, 32-46. Sabi ni Silueta kay Belvin do bibigay yata yung sapatos.
Paano natalo yung Super?
Hinapol sila. Inatay-utay. Yung panabla si Chudy Lax, binanati ni Chudy
Sino
Lax sa
na
tuto.
gumawa sa
Ha?
Sino gumawa sa duty free?
Duty free. Extreme Ballers? Yung Rodriguez, saka si Chudy Lax. Saka si Blini rin, si Blini.
Yun nga, di ba yung tumatay yung Syrian ba?
Si Blini. Stepping on the line. Na-technical pa yun.
Sino?
Si Blini.
Bakit?
Excessive complaining. Ang problema, naitira ni Tumbabla. Na-technical si Najib.
Bakit na-technical yun?
Excessive complaining din. Anakleto, wala. Akain, no. Si Shena. Kay Walter, fade away shot. Pasok. Good ball. Shena.
How are you?
3 points, Mike. Malakas ang pasa kay Shena. Time out muna po ang Team Mechanicos.
Dapat pa lang tayo.
Nasi siya sa lud. Ha? Si Sulud nasan? Sa lud.
Sino doon sa Republicans?
2 minutes, 51 remaining, 36-49 point score.
Lima yan eh. Limahan pa rin eh.
Hanggang third quarter, 5-5 pa rin yan. Barangay rules pa rin tayo. Di binabago. Ba, nag-rules pa rin yan, 5-5.
Half lang yun. Half lang.
Oh, 5-5.
Kaya nga, sa third, kahit sino na.
Hindi.
Kahit sino na, nakanina kahit sino na sila na.
Eh, depende sa ano. Sa ruling ninyo. Kakain. Mike for 3 again. Kapos. Castro, nakarebound. Baklaan. Baklaan, driving strong. Ying. Palmares. Garcia. Castro. Palmares, Garcia. Foul! Belarus. Garcia shooting for 2. Foul on number 1. Villarosa.
Kampi pa namin sa origin. Saan?
Garcia. It's in. 37-49. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Pe. Villarosa. Villarosa. Mike for 2. 2 points, Mike. Okay, may nagko-comment po tayo dito. Sabi kay Kinmanes, good luck in flights and watching from my room. 2 points, Garcia. Anak neto, take note, wala po si Mercado, wala si Coach Philip, wala si Maliwat.
Si Gukutano pa shoutout.
Bukutano, pa-shoutout din, sabi ni Scott.
Kung nasan ka man, diyan ka na lang, Enteng.
Oo nga, boxing na si Enteng pala. Enteng, shoutout sa'yo, hinahanap ka ni Scott, shoutout to sa'yo.
Kung nasan ka man, diyan ka na lang. Huwag ka nang ano.
Okay, Pe, 69 shooting for 2.
Sana diyan mo lang dito.
Pe, 69 shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second shot for Pe.
Si Kian. Mas maganda si ano, si Rimuga. Mas magaling na yun kung napanood mo yun.
It's in. Both shots made.
Kapitin niyo yun, di ba?
Castro.
Ano yun eh, nagwa one-on-one ng laro nun eh.
Baklaan.
Hindi, one-on-one.
Garcia. 2 points, Garcia. 1 minute 19 remaining. 12 point di kalamangan ng in-flights.
Ginagawang manok eh, no?
Villarosa. Mike for 3. Bang, bang. Wala. And back muli sa iniitim mong bola. Baklaan again. 52 seconds remaining. Baklaan. Baklaan. Castro. Baklaan. Castro. And same ball. Sabi ng referee, same ball. 5 remaining shots remaining. 5 remaining shoot. And Ying pops up. Bang! 3 points ni Ying. Mike. Pe, driving strong. Ayun, nawala.
Asan South State?
Castro. 10 seconds remaining. Baklaan. Baklaan. No good. Rebound battle. Palmares. Baklaan. No more. Kalas. Okay, after 3 quarters naman po ng siyam ang in-flights. The score is 44-53. May nag-comment, sabi rito, slow connection. Ay, mali pala.
Wala ka bang ano?
Good luck, implies and shoutout watching from my room. Ano yun, bro?
Mahirap yung wifi.
Hindi, may data yan. May data yan. May
May
data
wifi
yan.
pa naman.
May data yan.
May wifi pa naman.
May 10 GB on data eh. Isang, tatlong 4 GB nagagastos eh. Ito, mga 5 GB to. Okay, implies, guardia, mechanicos, atake. Palmares for the inbound. Kasama niya si Koy Mike, si Koy, si Garcia, Bullet at si Shena. Kabila naman si Guzman, AJ, Gurub, Mungkal at si Di Guzman. Shena. Palmares. No good. Shena naka-rebound. Shena. Palmares again. No good. Rebound by Garcia. 2 points Garcia. Mungkal for 2. Bang! 2 points Mungkal. Siyam na naman. Palmares. Garcia. Shena. Malakas ang pasa and point mix out of bounds. Balik tayo, muli po tayong yun in flight. Mungkal again. Mungkal, jumper, no good. Rebound by Gurub. 2 points Gurub. May kamatch dito siya, no? Si Salud, si Gurub. Sintangka di Gurub, eh. Salud. Shena. Koy mix. No good. Rebound by AJ. Di Guzman. Di Guzman. 2 points. Ilan foul? 46-59, laman na 13. Shena Garcia. 2 points Garcia. 14-59, 7 minutes 42 remaining. Mungkal, palpal! Nice block by Bullet. Si Melvin. Si Melvin. Okay, Miss Shena from Bullet. Palmares. Kumat. Bullet. 2 points sana, pero on the line.
Foul number 6.
Foul number 6. Group call for the foul. Bullet. Number 9, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, Bullet. 7 minutes 22 remaining. 40-59. It's in. 49-59. 10 lang yan. 7 minutes 22 remaining. No good and out. White ball. Mungkal. Mungkal again. Long jumper. No good. Rebound by Real. Ying. Wala pa rin. Foul on AJ. Pushing foul, AJ. Ying shooting for 2. Ying. It's out. Ying, second shot. Jumper's ready.
Martin, good evening.
Ying, second shot. Idol. Idol, shout out sa'yo.
Shoutout ko kay Kanton.
Kanton, nasa ka na, Kanton?
Inom na.
Minum na. Palmares, no good. Uy, bullet, naka-rebound. Foul. Again, Gurub. Number 6, third personal foul. Wala pang penalty. Bullet. Shena. Shena driving strong. Shena. Shena malakas. AJ. And napunta kay De Guzman. 2 points to Guzman. Timeout called by Mechanicals.
Sir, isa ka lang tayo dyan. Lang. Bring mo na ito para ano.
You're watching the game between Mechanicals versus In-Flight, and the winner of this game will face in the semis Team Extreme Bowlers, which won over Hub earlier.
Sir, isa lang tayo. Isa na lang. Isa na lang tayo.
Inbounding. Baklaan. Walter. Real. Walter. Baklaan for 2. No good. Rebound by Group. Nice hustle by Group, but still called for the foul. Number 6. Number 6, 4 personal foul. Warning for graduate.
Holding now.
Remedy. Parantes, baka meron ko yung jacket o ano? Yung parang may balabala, lamig pa rin. Alam mo to? Ying! 2 points Ying. Parang gano'n, sa tuwalya ba? Ano? Wala, kasi yung...
Wala lang ako. Inom mo na.
Ano? Gurub! Mungkal! Naku! Gurub! Foul! Group shooting for 2. Group shooting for 2. First shot. Tapos. 5 minutes 28 remaining. Laman na sa pulang in flight. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Garcia, Baklaan driving strong. Baklaan to Ying. 2 point, lumabas. Group. Now, Group with Guzman 3 on 2. Guzman, 2 points. Walter, 51-63. Walter. To Garcia, malakas. Guzman din. 3 points to Guzman. 4 minutes 48 remaining. Foul! 5 na yan. Foul on group. 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Walter shooting for 2. Four minutes 40 remaining. Walter, pasok. Second shot, Walter. Wala. Rebound, barrel. Nakuha ng in-flight. Lamang na 14 ang in-flight. AJ for 2. Nope. And binato na nakuha ni Ying ang bola. Ying. And one play. 54-66. Plus 1 pa yan, maaari. 1 pa. AJ. Labas muna si AJ. Quality minutes ginawa ni AJ kanina. Ying. Itching. Usman. Mungkal. Dang. Steady points by Mungkal. Is giving the points. Shena, side step move. Walang foul. Usman. Mungkal. Foul sa baba. Foul on Real. Real called for the foul. Penalty po ang team. Hindi pa. Last foul pa. Bago mag-penalty po ang Mechanicals. Ito na. Mungkal. For 3. Bang! For 2 lang. Long 2. Shena. Garcia. 2 points, Garcia. 70-57. Usman. Nope. Ying. Malakas ang pasa ni Ying. Baklaan in. Shena out. Palmares in. 2 minutes 50 remaining. Mungkal. Driving strong. Ayun kay Pe. 2 points. Usman. Good ball. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Mechanicals ang bola. Baklaan. Palmares. Nope. No good. Palpal ni Pe. Last 2 minutes.
Castro.
Garcia, no good. Castro, 2 points, Castro. 59-72. Labang na 13. Garcia, double team. Pounded, foul.
Counter-measure.
And penalty situation, Team Mechanicos. Good luck, in-flight shoutout watching from my room. Sabi ni Kimanes. Yes. Okay, platoon substitution muna po. Last time out called by Mechanicos. Guzman, inbounding against Baclaan. Anacleto, Guzman, Mike. Pe. Points, bullet. Paulon Baclaan. Penalty situation, Mechanicos. Nope. Second shot, jumper ready. It's in. 51 seconds remaining. Okay, safety basket na yan. Wala na. Safety basket, safety basket. 31 seconds remaining. Anacleto, wala. Okay, that's it. They concede now. Mechanicos concede and welcome to the semis. Team in flight. Final score. Final score 62-73. Okay, welcome to the semis po. Team in flights, final score 62-73. Congratulations in flights and watching from his room, sabi ni Kimales. Picture. Ano, official photo. Okay, welcome to the semis, team in flights. Final score 62-73. POG.
Parang may interview boss, interview.
Masya siya, best player. POG. Bola. Okay, congratulations Team In Flights and si Di Guzman. Background mo, Timbo, pare. Pre, background. Okay, Di Guzman. Congratulations and welcome to the semis. Sama na, Akain, sama ka na, Akain. Post-game interview. Sumama ka na lang. Okay, ito po yung ano natin si Akain kasi para pinaka-team leader po nila. And Mr. Di Guzman, quality ball game po sa any word po, sir. At ang po handang-handa po kayo para sa semis po. Sige ba, sir? Kasi ano masabi mo, sir? Ano masabi mo? Maganda ang gano'n ginawa mo, yung matinira mo, talagang
Crucial.
puro crucial lahat din yun, sige ba, sir?
Keep going lang kami. Our defense, and
Ball movement.
My good. Now, Mr. Akain, any word po, sir?
Yung ginawa namin ngayon, tulungan lang kasi yung mga main man namin wala.
Ayun, napansin namin, wala yung iba mga players.
Kaya nga, sinabi namin sa team na tulong-tulong lang tayo. Tingnan na natin. Basta depensa yung unahin namin. The rest, to follow na eh.
Okay, I believe so, alam niyo na sino makakalabi sa semis, right?
Yung first game, parang QR hub eh.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Extreme bowler sa mga kalaban.
Oo, yun. Matibay yun.
Any word po, sir? Ano how do you know? Paano nyo mapaganda yung isang extreme bowlers po ngayon?
Magandang laban nun yun kasi malalaki rin sila, mabibilis.
Okay,
Match-match ang laban. Basta, basta uunahin pa rin namin yung defense.
focus lang sa defense.
Oh, sige. And also, with it na po, I give you na 1 minute to 30 seconds to shout out po yung loved ones po. Babalo po. Sige po, sir. Guzman, ikaw muna.
Shoutout sa family.
Lakas bro.
Shoutout sa family ko sa Pinas.
Sa Pinas, okay?
Sa mga tropa ko dito.
Tropa din.
Kamusta?
Mr. Akain, yung kanilang team leader po.
Shoutout sa mga Ilonggo dyan. Shoutout sa family ko, si Pearl, si Nathan. Shoutout dyan. Salamat.
With it po, again, congratulations po. Welcome to the semifinals po. Team In Flights. 3, 2, 1.